Welcome back to the Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny, and today we are going to go over three of the highest yield dividend paying stocks that you should consider owning in 2024. I'm also going to show you four additional stocks that you can add to your portfolio. Just stick around to the end of the video for that, and I'll show you those four bonus stocks. So today's video, we're going to cover 7 stocks really fast, so let's get into it. All that I ask is that you subscribe and you smash that like button and little bell so you don't miss my next videos. You don't want to miss out. So here we are on the Investing for Beginners community.com website. Okay, this is our website officially. Here is the blog, and pretty happy with it. So if you are not familiar, definitely go check it out. Sign up for the weekly newsletter. It is January 4th, so the newsletter did go out today. That is the first edition or first newsletter out of 52 for the year. So definitely sign up. You're not going to want to miss those weekly newsletters. Okay, let's get into it. So, 3 high yield monthly dividend stocks that could be worth considering in 2024. Now, you can read this article on the website if you like. For a little bit of time's sake, I'm going to read these really fast and then we will talk about them briefly. So, here are the 3 high yield monthly dividend stocks that could be worth considering in 2024. Now, Main Street Capital, or ticker symbol AMIN, is a business development company that provides long term debt and equity capital to lower middle market companies. Now, supporting management buyouts, growth financing, recapitalization, and acquisitions. Main Street has 195 cumulative investments in its first quarter of 2023 with 1.4 total assets under management. So probably 1.4 million under asset management. Now the company pays a monthly dividend of 23 cents per share with an annual yield of 6.9%. Now, Main Street Capital is one of those companies that I have been invested in for a long time, and I'm sure many of you are as well. So definitely check that one out if you're not familiar with it. Also, right here on the side, if you noticed, Financial Freedom can be 10-step guide for you to pick up, and there is a free copy available when you go into the private group of over 70,000 members on Facebook. Go over to the group, get in, get this free book, or you could purchase it through the website for, I believe, $2.99, and it's a quick, I think it's about a 15-minute read. Real quick, it really helps out a lot. The main point of that book is to um, be able to have 10 easy steps for financial freedom to a teenager who might mean cutting ties with the bank of mom and dad, or to adults, it might mean never having to work again. So, those financial freedom 10 steps are crucial. Also, have a new book, My 6-Step Ritual. Check that out as well. So, getting into number 2, we have Prospect Capital, or PSEC, ticker symbol PSEC. Now, this is another lending public BDC with diversified portfolio investments. Now, Prospect lends to and invest in private middle market companies. Now, Prospect has a long history of consistent monthly dividend payouts. And yes, I did say monthly. These 3 companies do pay a monthly dividend. Now, the company pays a monthly dividend of 6.25 cents per share with an annual yield of 9.4%. Now, there may be some small typos in here. This is like my second or third article of the year. You're going to try to do at least 300 articles. There will probably be instances where I miss a day or two. 365 is a little unrealistic, but the goal that I've set for myself would be 300 articles this year alone, and then that would translate to, really almost 300 videos on YouTube. So yeah, it's the first of the year. It's okay to create goals and then reset them or realign with those goals. If you are interested in any of my 2024 goals and what I set for myself, definitely check out the video above. I'll leave a card. I also talk about my 2023 goals, what I accomplished and what I did not. So really great video to check out. Now, moving on to number three, we have Stag Industrial, or ticker symbol STAG. Now, this REIT focuses on single tenant industrial properties throughout the United States. Now, Stag Industrial pays a monthly dividend of 12.33 cents per share with an annual yield of 4.8%. Now, I will look a little bit more in depth on these in the future. If you have any information on correcting these are don't seem to be quite accurate, or I did some type of a typo on this. So in the future, these will be corrected. Now, Gladstone Land Corp is another great monthly dividend, so that's a bonus if you're sticking around. If you are sticking around, hit glad in comments below. Type in glad or Gladstone or land. Let me know that you made it this far in the video. Now, here are some more high yield dividend stocks that you might find interesting. Now, not necessarily going to be, um, oh, actually, they all are. They are actually all monthly paying. So we have another four bonus monthly paying stocks right here. Just want to stop watching and then just disappear, that's fine. Go ahead. But have four more to go over. Now, before we do, we have a mastermind with a mastermind group on Facebook. I'm looking for some right people here for this project, and we're find everything in one place. I talk about health, wealth, and happiness, and you can achieve it too. Now, that is kind of our motto for that mastermind class. We want to get some like-minded individuals in there who are excited and pumped to make some major changes. Um, okay, so definitely follow us on Facebook, to Instagram, Pinterest, or wherever else you feel fit. We're also on Twitter, then probably a couple I missed, but just follow us wherever. Now, four that we have is Global Net Lease, or ticker symbol. Now, this REIT acquires and manages global diversified portfolios of commercial properties, including offices, industrial, and retail space. Now, Global Net Lease pays a dividend and their annual 7.8%. Now, Stag Industrial is one of those companies we just mentioned above. So I guess it's not quite a bonus, but this is a REIT focused on single tenant industrial properties throughout the United States. And they're giving us the exact same monthly dividend of 12.33 cents. So that's not accurate at all. I will look into that more. Actually, we can do that right now. Let's go over to Robinhood, look up Stag Industrial, and they have a dividend yield of 3.78% right now. So I will make some updates to this as time goes on. Now, AT&T is a telecommunication giant providing wireless broadband and entertainment services to consumers and businesses worldwide. Now, AT&T a dividend of 52 cents per share, an annual yield of 6.5. And then we have Altria Group. Now, I have been hearing a lot about Altria Group. I even have um, some close relations to some people that work for Altria Group. So if you're not sure what that is, ticker symbol is MO. This is a tobacco company. It's one of the largest producers and marketers of cigarettes and other tobacco products in the world. Now, they will market, say, Family Dollars, Dollar Trees, Loaf and Jug, Shells, all those different places like gas stations and retail places. They will have an Altria Group in there, which is going to be your tobacco provider. or producer. Now, Ultra pays a monthly dividend of 86 cents per share with an annual yield of 7.3%. There's also, if you check out this post or this blog post on the website, you will see another additional monthly paying dividend stocks income video, 3 monthly paying stocks. There is a blog about that, or you could also just watch the video in my playlist. Got some sources here, making sure everything stays legit from the sources I'm getting it from. And then we also have Aries Capital, which is 10% dividend yield and a 10% appreciation year over year. That's a 20% ROI or return on your investment. That's a great video, which just released, but just a day or two ago. So definitely check it out. Webull, if you are not signed up with Webull, you can get up to 20 free shares worth up to $60,000 by signing up for Webull. Now that sounds crazy, but I did get a free share of Facebook for $179 just like that from somebody signing up. So it's definitely possible. All you have to do is set up your Webull and deposit any amount. I believe it's like $5 or something. Now, if you're still interested in more about starting investing, you could still get my book here. Now, this does have a, it looks like a free download right here. So I guess the purchase part of the book area is irrelevant. Maybe I'll make that some kind of something for later. But you can actually download the book for free on the website. The Financial Freedom Can Be 10-step guide. If you just scroll down blog post on any blog post, and you could download that for free. That's kind of a secret. Not many people know that. So go on over and get your free copy. It is a PDF version, super easy to read, and it's fantastic. Also, you can sign up for the Investing for Beginners community private Facebook group with over 70,000 members. It's free to join, and it just takes a second. If you have a Facebook account, to just go over, type in Investing for Beginners community. We are the largest investing group, the largest investing community on Facebook right now. I think the next one below us is like 16,000 members. So we're at 72,000 members. We're still growing. We're trying to get to 100K. So join the conversation and get involved in a community of like-minded individuals just like you and me who just want to talk and share our ideas. Also have a podcast. If you're not in the podcast, check the podcast out. We're now on every podcast platform you could think of, including Apple Podcast. We got some new stuff going on, so if you want to listen to it on the go, you can. And then we are partners with Seeking Alpha, guys. Now, for a limited time, they do have a New Year's deal going on. I should have left it on the screen here, but it is 30% off the regular price. So I do believe you can get it in for $99 or $89 for that premium version. There's a lot of good stuff in there. I use Seeking Alpha a lot in my videos, so if you kind of want to see what it looks like and some of the benefits, check out my last video on Aries Capital. That'll show you kind of a lay of the land, as they say. I'll compare it to Robinhood and Seeking Alpha. I know they're two different things, but it's nice to have a deeper dive into some of those stock analysis videos that I do. So definitely check out Seeking Alpha. Check out some of these videos. And if you haven't subscribed, you're definitely going to want to. We have a massive following coming about. We have 3,500 subscribers now on YouTube, and we have 70,000 members. We're trying to get to 100K, guys. 100K following members slash subscribers. So be a part of the growing investing group. Enjoy the rest of your day, and remember to always do your research before investing. That's why I'm here, to help you out just a little bit. But enjoy your investing journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Go watch one of my other videos. I have like 400 videos at this point, all on investing, on monthly stocks, on dividends, on credit, whatever you think you want to know. Go check it out. Leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.